Hello my dears. In the previous class we were discussing the chapter integers. Today we can deal question number 6 of this exercise 1.4. Question number 6 says that in a class test plus 3 mark are given for every correct answer, minus 2 mark are given for every incorrect answer, and there is no mark for not attempting question. We have to find Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So we are required to find the number of incorrect answers. Okay, first we are going to write down what are the data given here. First one is mark for every correct answer. Mark for every correct answer equal to plus 3. Second step is mark for every incorrect answer, that is minus 2. Now we are going to find the number of incorrect answers. Before that we are going to make a formula. Formula is total mark equal to total mark equal to total mark of correct answer plus total mark of incorrect answer. So, from this equation, we can find total mark of incorrect answer. That means formula for finding the total mark of incorrect answers. What will be the formula? Total mark of incorrect answer equal to total mark minus total mark of correct answer. So, I am going to write down that formula. But in the question, they have provided us total mark. What is the total mark? Radhika scored 20 marks. That is total mark. But they didn't give us total mark of correct answer. But they have given us a clue that 12 correct answers she made. So how can we find out the total mark for correct answer? For one correct answer, she will be getting 3 marks. So for 12 correct answers, she will be getting 12 into 3 marks, isn't it? This is equation number 1. This is the required equation. We know total mark equal to, from the question, total mark equal to 20, that is total score is 20, and total mark for correct answer. Before that I can write down number of correct answer equal to 12. Total mark of correct answer equal to 12 into number of correct answer into mark of one correct answer, that is 3, equal to 12 into 3 equal to 36. So we got total mark and total mark for correct answer. So from these two data, definitely we will get total mark of incorrect answers. What will be the total mark of incorrect answers? Total mark minus total mark of correct answer. So substitute these two values in equation number 1. We will be getting total mark of incorrect answers equal to 20 minus 36 minus 16 as answer. Now we got total mark for incorrect answer. But actually we have to find out how many incorrect answers she made. Number of incorrect answer equal to minus 16 divided by minus 2 equal to 8. For question number 2, Mohini scores minus 5 mark in this test, though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions she has attempted incorrectly? In the same way as we did in question number 1, we know the formula mark for incorrect answer equal to total mark minus mark of correct answer. Total mark minus mark of correct answer. Here we know what is the total mark. Total mark is minus 5. So we can write down, this is equation number 1. Total mark equal to minus 5. Mark of correct answer equal to, before that we can write down number of correct answer. Number of correct answer equal to number of correct answer equal to 7. Mark of correct answer equal to seven into 3 equal to 21. So total mark of incorrect answer equal to, substitute these two values in equation number 1. Mark of incorrect answer equal to total mark, that is minus 5 minus mark of correct answer, that is 21. Minus 5 minus 21. Minus 5 plus minus 21. So minus 26. That is mark for incorrect answer is minus 26. So number of incorrect answer is minus 26 divided by minus 2. Number of incorrect answer. Equal to minus 26 divided by minus 2 means mark for each and every incorrect answer. Minus 2 equal to 13. I hope you enjoyed my class. If you have any doubt about this question, please ask to me through comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Amy Bijoy from Max Ninjas.